She's my sister. We met because of her. I came to America for her wedding, to you.
So, you're saying if the circumstances were different, you would also fall for me?
Don't get me caught up in words, Hari. I'm not that smart.
But how about your feelings then? I can sense that you can feel my feelings as well.
As a friend, yes. What happened to you is unfortunate, but what has happened to Tia is injustice. You know how much she was looking forward to the wedding, right?
No, she was just looking forward to the function, the event, the party. It didn't matter to Tia who the guy was. Plus, she didn't like me the way I was.
That's not true. You know, she has loved you and only you.
You probably didn't hear what she has asked to me. You probably didn't hear that she asked to change me into something I was not. And now that I am that person, she doesn't approve.
I am her sister, Hari.
You are also an independent woman, Simi. Don't you want someone to love you?
Of course I do, but...
But because it is me saying I love you to you, you have a problem with that?
I have a problem with you being Tia's fiancé. What am I saying? You are her husband.
That was a long time ago, and it was a secret wedding. And in 2 days' time, that will also be rectified. I want to hear from you, Simi, if it is me that is what is bothering you.
Look, Hari, you're a nice boy, man, but I cannot even imagine my life in India, yours here. How? The question is, if you say you want to be with me, I will figure out the part.
Trust me, I'm not as dumb as Tia thinks I am.
I'm your Sali, Hari. I've been calling you Jiju ever since we met.
You're my Sali if someone is strictly speaking legally. And that too shall be taken care of soon.
There's no point in talking if you're going to be like this. Where are the appropriate words that will make me understand?
Simi, I could feel your soul when I kissed you.
Oh my God, I was just shocked, okay? You came out of nowhere.
No, and still I could feel you.
Simi was suddenly feeling uncertain about her feelings and she got up from the chair. Hari got up too and came close to her. He was so close to her, he could hear her heart and it was running at a mile a minute. It was as if she was frozen. She wanted to get out of his room, but she also wanted to stay back just a little to see what would happen.
And then, without warning, Hari kissed her. Whether it was expected or not, whether she wanted him to or not, all of that was irrelevant. Instinctively, she had her eyes shut and was bracing herself on the edge of the desk.
This kiss was different. This time, his tongue snaked into her mouth. She had never kissed like that before. Namit from Nagpur, hardly a kisser. He kissed like he was kissing a baby. She frantically pushed Namit's name out of her mind. Oh God, this feels so good.
And then Hari broke away from her and backed off.
She hesitantly opened her eyes. She was afraid that her reaction, her flushed face, her trembling body could be too easily read by Hari. Oh God, I have to go now, she said hurriedly and ran out of his room.
I think that was wonderfully enacted. Well, Amrita, do you have any...
Then I'm sure Hari is your... I did not say more. Is this your story, Harshvardhan Urf Hari?
No, my Sali is sitting here and she's shaking her head. No.
Oh my God, this is already getting a little curious. Oh, okay.
Yeah. And he's also here, so... no, not really. It's not exactly my story, but obviously every author uses his real life experiences. So somewhere that reflects in there. But I'll tell you, I have two Salis in real life, and I had not shared the story with either of them. and almost for 6 months they were totally freaking out. So as soon as they got to read it, they I think read it non-stop just to make sure that, I was not saying something but I didn't want to. So no, it's not really my story.
Hey, camera! Hey, camera!
So we have 2 more winners after this. Elias, would you come on stage?
Wonderful, wonderful.
ये लोग मानेंगे क्या? Hey!
And we have Tejas.
Give a big hand, everybody. And of course, Amrita, I think she's been really sporting about it. She even told one of the winners to sit down and go down on his knees while handing over the balloon. So thank you so much, and congratulations once again to Harshvardhan. Well, we now throw it open to members of the audience.
So it's not a question, but I just wanted to say that when I was listening to you talking about the story initially, I think that in today's day and age, all modern men.
You have a sister Tia, and you are Sia, and there's Hari.
She does have a sister, we know that.
I didn't come prepared for that question. Oh, dude, that would be such a soup. I have no answer. I think it's very different when it's your own sister, right? So I think I'll just secretly run away from that situation, just pack my bags and go to another city maybe.
Thank you.
Does that what Simi do eventually? Okay, I don't want to know.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anybody else? Anybody else before we move on? All right. Before we move on, one last question in this.
I think usually we're launching, like a movie, music CD or giving a press conference for our film, but this is so unusual. I'm launching a book today, and a book with a very, very interesting title, When Hari Met His Sali. I think that's so cool. I really, really got hooked onto this book from the very title itself. Very modern, very contemporary, very my generation, the confusion we have. हमारा जो एक आइडिया होता है रोमांस के बारे में, वो बॉलीवुड से होता है या फिर किताबी रोमांस होता है, ख्याली एक नोशन होता है, तो उस नोशन को एक रियलिटी चेक दिया है इस किताब में ऑथर ने. And I'm too excited to launch a cool book like this.
But what was the real inspiration to write this book?
Actually, it was a basic question कि आजकल ये जो रोमांस का बहुत फिक्शनल आइडिया चल रहा है, and today's youth, like our generation, is kind of conflicted कि they try to find this fictional idea in real people जो होता नहीं है. So book की कहानी उसी के अराउंड बिल्ड की गई है.
If a man, is in love with his wife as well as Sali, is this a mess kind of a situation, or it's quite interesting in life?
I think it's so Indian. It's a very Indian, what should I say, fantasy or popular notion that Sali आधी घरवाली होती है, और इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है ये इन्होंने इस पर रिसर्च किया, वाकई में रिसर्च किया जब ये किताब लिख रहे थे. I just think, for me, somebody who is more modern and contemporary in my thinking, I just feel it's a fun saying, not to be taken seriously. But ऐसे लोग हैं इंडिया में जो वाकई ही साली को आधी घरवाली मानते हैं, और इसके बारे में हर्षवर्धन बताएंगे.
Is that true, sir?
Actually,
what is the reason behind it?
Actually, culturally, थोड़ा sister-in-law या साली को, like men of the household, they try to take advantage. Actually, ये ऐसे हमारे culture या tradition में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, but वो convenient हो जाता है, इसलिए लोग भाभी को लेके या साली को लेके कभी-कभी वो करते हैं. I think what I have tried to do is I have tried to keep it very topical कि मतलब in a fun-filled narrative कही है मैंने story. So but intimate story है. It's a love triangle between two sisters and one person, one guy.
As you said, if there is a movie can also be made by taking inspiration from the book.
Book, yes.
So if the movie is made, your sister is also an actress as well. So you really want to act with your sister as such, and what kind of role do you want to play?
Firstly, congratulations. That's a lovely question you've asked me. Yes, my sister is also an actress now, a television actress. And when Hari Met His Sali was made with real two sisters, it would be very, very exciting indeed for the readers. Yeah, I think as an actress itself, that excites me.
Besides that, football fever is also going on. Do you follow soccer as such?
Not so much. Not so much.
That's it, no? Thank you.
Thank you.